Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. We're going to be making Butter Swim Biscuits. All the components for today's recipe can be found in the description box, as well as the ticker in this video. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the thumbs up, and share this video. I have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. To that 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 teaspoons of sugar. I'm using Dixie Crystals. Just mix all those dry ingredients together. 2 cups of cold buttermilk. Mix all the ingredients together. I have an 8x8 pan, or you use a 9x9 pan. 1 stick of unsalted melted butter is in there. I'm just going to dump this biscuit dough on that butter. Spread everything, smooth it out. After you have everything smoothed out, just take a butter knife and we're just gonna sort of slice it into little sections here. So 9 equal pieces. Okay. Into a preheated 425-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 25 to 28 minutes. Here is my biscuits. They took 29 minutes for them to bake till they got nice and golden brown. So now you have to let these sit for about 5 minutes because you have to let it cool a bit and all the butter in the pan is going to absorb into the biscuits. So I let this sit for about 10 minutes actually. And all that butter is absorbed back in there. I'm going to go ahead and cut it in this little... I'm going to get this little corner piece because I like corner pieces. Corner biscuits, corner of the cornbread, corner of the brownies, any of the corners, corner of lasagna. Still not quite coming up. Okay, so let's go ahead and, wow, that looks and smells amazing. Look at that, it's beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a taste. Let's break a little, let me just move my pan here. Let's break a little bit of this edge. It's still pretty hot. Wow. Look at that. Amazing. The texture of these biscuits really remind me of something like Hardee's, Bojangles. They're nice, buttery, crispy. It's really dense but light and buttery at the same time. It's hard to describe. But amazing. This is gonna go so good with some gravy. Add this video to your playlist. Leave a comment. Please let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon.